Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency format. If you are working with numbers in a spreadsheet, changing the currency format is a simple way to make your data easier to read and more professional looking. This is especially helpful when you are dealing with prices, budgets, invoices, or financial reports and you want the values to display in the correct currency style. To get started, first select the cells you want to format. Make sure you highlight all of the numbers that should use the new currency format. This could be a single cell, an entire column, or a larger range, depending on what you are working on. Taking a moment to select the correct cells first will help you avoid applying the format to the wrong part of your sheet. Next, go to the top menu bar and click Format. Once the menu opens, hover over Number. This will open another list of number formatting options. From here, you can choose Custom Currency if you want more control over the currency style. Or simply choose Currency if you want to apply the default currency setting right away. The default option is useful when you just need a quick standard format, while the custom option gives you more flexibility. After that, search for or type the currency you want to use. This is where you can switch to the exact currency that matches your needs. As you do this, you'll also be able to choose the visual format you prefer. For example, you may see different ways the currency can appear, such as symbol placement, decimal style, or spacing. Choosing the right visual format can make your spreadsheet clearer and better suited to your region or audience. Once you've selected the currency and the format you want, click Apply. Your selected cells will immediately update to reflect the new currency format. This means the underlying values stay the same, but the way they're displayed becomes more useful and easier to interpret. If the result doesn't look quite right, double-check that you selected the correct cells and that you picked the intended currency format rather than the default one. Small formatting changes can make a big difference in how polished your spreadsheet looks. That's all it takes to change currency format in your spreadsheet. Thanks for watching.